So if he said, yeah, I was down with them at the kennels, and then the video comes out and confirms what he said, that he was down there, but then left, this would have been a very different story. I think if you look at that and say he never lied, but the prosecution still doesn't have the murder weapon, they don't have the kind of forensics, they don't have an eyewitness, they have the 2 different guns, they have all these different suggestions, this would have been a very different case. It seems it's Alex Murdaugh's own words that are the worst thing against him in this case.
Jesse and Richard, listen, I'm playing devil's advocate here to some degree. Clearly the prosecutors have brought a case that is reliable and has some sustenance. What I'm suggesting to you, and Jesse, you just touched on this, we have 2 different murder weapons. Neither one of them have been recovered. And they're clearly, it's if we're going to speculate, let's speculate. There was this issue going on with the young woman who died, unfortunately and very tragically. And, people that were very sincere about trying to hold people accountable for that death. So again, guys, I'm not, I'm playing devil's advocate right now, but what I suggest to you is that we have a drug addict who is under extreme stress. We have no murder weapon. We have really no motive. And they've I wouldn't say they've created a motive. The motive is that supposedly he wanted to distract, from his own situation. What I would suggest to you as a father, and I don't know if you guys are, that's a reach for me.
I agree with you. Unfortunately, the job that I have, I see family members killing family members in brutal fashion. And sometimes the victims are much younger than the ones we have here. And so nothing really would shock me.